Hi there and welcome. Today I got these two Voltcraft oscilloscopes. They're actually GW Instek 4-channel 100 MHz with LCD display in color. And I got two of these, and unfortunately neither of them are working. But I think there might be a chance that they can be repaired. The first one is flashing the on and standby light and nothing happens. But there's also a click sound from the back. So I think something is shorted here and the power supply is trying to start up. So that should be possible to fix. And the other one, if I plug that in, the power switch is jammed. So it's not possible to turn it on. Oh, there we go. But again, nothing happens. So for this one I just hope I can swap the on-off switch, and then that will be working. And the other one, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's open them up. And yeah, as I predicted, the construction is absolutely identical to my other GW Instek scope. And this is looking in from the back. There is the power supply here, which is rather big switch mode supply, and maybe that one is not working, and we may need to fix that. But otherwise, this is the front panel under behind here, and that's basically just one PCB with LCD screen on one side, and on the back is the main PCB. And basically what we have is one big PCB. There are 4 analog inputs here. Then we have 4 analog devices, A to D converters. Then there's a massive Xilinx Spartan chip. And of course this is where all the data is glued together. There's another little ASIC down here, and we have some other little chips for controlling the screen and what have you. But the main CPU is an analog devices Shark. So that's pretty good. Then we have some RAM and some flash memory. And that's it really. So yeah, nothing seems to be wrong with this thing here, except maybe the power on-off switch. But yeah, let's test the power switch first, because that was hopefully the problem, and that would be a very easy fix. There's actually a lot of brown gunk here. So it looks like the switch is rusty, corroded, and yeah, I think we should just simply swap it out, because this is useless. Okay, I know the light is very dark, but we have a capacitor down here that is full of goo. So yeah, definitely this power supply is not working. So I will order a new power supply board from GW Instek, and then hopefully I have at least one working oscilloscope. Just opened up the other oscilloscope, and this is also a power supply problem. There's one capacitor down here which is really dirty and has exploded, and yeah, and another one here that has exploded as well. This is the same problem. I need to order more power supplies, or maybe I'll take out the board and have a look at it and see how bad it is. Maybe it's fixable. If it's just a capacitor that's blown up, maybe it's okay, but yeah. Hi there, I'm back, and I just got a quote from GW Instek for 2 new power supplies. And to be fair, I think the price they charged me was very reasonable. However, the issue that they have, or that I have, is that they have changed the LCD display on the oscilloscopes to LED backlighting, and they don't have these power supplies anymore. So that means that I can get new power supplies, but I have to change out my LCD displays at the same time. And I think that becomes a little bit steep. My plan was to repair both and then keep one for myself and sell the other one. But I'm not going to make a profit if I have to buy both a new power supply and a new LCD display for each. So yeah, I think I have 2 options. One is to buy just the power supply and change the backlighting to LED on the LCDs that I have here. And I think that is probably possible. But the other option that I want to try out first is to try to repair these. So yeah, if I am not able to repair these, I will go for the power supply plus swapping the LCD backlighting to LED option, I think. That's the plan for now at least. But yeah, I think what I need to do here, you can see everything is very, very packed around here. But what I need to do is I need to change, I think, all the capacitors here, because like for instance on this one, this down here is broken, this down here is broken, there's acid leaking out from both. So I think I will just swap out everything, but of course take those that looks worst first. And the same with the other one. This capacitor here is completely exploded basically, and acid leaking out all over the shop. So yeah, that's it. I'll be back and see you again real soon.